The principle of offering quality products at a reasonable price is the core value that Atomy aims for. All products of Atomy, including skincare products, health supplements, household supplies, fashion, and even home appliances, are made with this principle of absolute quality, absolute price in mind. Atomy's absolute quality promise is fulfilled by partner companies who make products with good raw materials, use the best technology, and ensure thorough quality control. Also, Atomy adheres to the principle of absolute price by striving to reduce costs and implement efficient management strategies. What has been the result of keeping to these principles? Hemohim has been ranked the #1 health functional supplement in the Korean network marketing industry for 5 consecutive years. Absolute Selective Skincare has recorded sales of over $100 million 1 year after its launch in 2017. And Atomy Skincare 6 System has also continued its phenomenal sales record, being long and steadily loved by consumers worldwide. A company that adheres to the principles of distribution, a company that is expanding network marketing with a focus on consumers. Absolute quality, absolute price is the most powerful force of Atomy. Starting with the opening of Atomy USA in 2010, Atomy has expanded into 13 countries to date, covering parts of Asia, North and South America, Oceania, and Russia. Now, Atomy has truly become a global company with about 5 million registered members worldwide. In 2018, Atomy Korea was awarded the $70 million export tower for its robust exports, guaranteeing a $100 million export tower in 2019. Global Atomy is increasing its potential by establishing an active communication platform globally. The company hosts more than 1,000 seminars annually all around the world.